This is the Rock and Roller R2RT multicart. With 8 different setup configurations, high-tech R-Track wheels, and a lightweight design, this multicart is your all-in-one gear transporting solution. The R2RT multicart can carry up to 350 pounds of equipment. But thanks to its steel tube construction, the cart only weighs 15.4 pounds. In its compact position, this cart is 11 inches wide by 26 inches long. In its extended position, the cart goes up to 39 inches long. When storing the R2RT, it folds into a small configuration, making it easy to fit in tight spaces like a loaded trunk or a closet. It can also transform into 7 additional shapes, replacing the need to buy different carts for different jobs. You can configure the R2RT to be a short dolly, a short platform cart, a short high stacker, a long high stacker, a long platform cart, a long dolly, and even a hand truck. You can also purchase add-ons for even more options. The RSD2 solid deck provides a carpeted surface that prevents smaller items from falling through the bed frame. The RSH2 carpeted shelf lets you double your carrying load by giving you another level for stacking. You can also use this shelf as a desktop, transforming your multicart into a mobile workstation. To provide lasting durability and smoother transportation for your gear, the R2RT comes equipped with R-Track wheels and brakes. Unlike traditional cart wheels, the R-Track wheels feature an innovative no-flat design that eliminates air leaks. They're also up to 30% lighter than traditional wheels and offer a smooth pneumatic-like ride, providing better protection for your gear. With 8 different configurations and a lightweight design, the Rock and Roller R2RT multicart is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable way to transport big and heavy items for travel, work, or home.
Welcome Products makes moving a breeze with the innovative foldable Magna Cart platform truck. Its 300-pound load capacity offers maximum efficiency, and operation is a breeze. You can open or close it in seconds. The handle extends to a full 36 inches, and the cart's 4 4-inch rubber wheels fold out automatically. The 2 in back swivel, providing maximum mobility. The sturdy load platform measures 16 inches wide and 27 inches long. When the job's finished, simply collapse the cart to its compact 3.5-inch size. It folds flat for convenient storage and weighs just over 14 pounds.
For larger loads, our Magna Cart FFXL is the perfect solution. It has an impressive 500-pound capacity with the features and durability of the flatform truck model, but with a more generous 20 by 31-inch load platform and heavy-duty wheels. Its sturdy construction is designed to stand up to all kinds of challenging moving tasks. And like the flatform truck, the larger cart doesn't take up much storage space. It collapses to a width of only 4 inches.
The Harper lightweight multi-purpose dolly and cart is perfect for all your home or office moving needs. 3-position telescoping handle adjusts up to 58 inches for comfortable handling. 300-pound dolly capacity. Easily converts from 2-wheel dolly to 4-wheel cart in seconds. Only weighs 18 pounds, up to 400-pound cart capacity. Compact for easy storage and transportation. Harper's exclusive nylon frame design is as strong as a steel dolly, but weighs 30% less and is rust and corrosion resistant. Save time, move it all in one trip. Large 8-inch mold-on rubber flat-free wheels and built-in frame glides easily go up or down stairs and curbs. Highly maneuverable in tight spaces, even fully loaded. When you need a lightweight, easy-to-use dolly or cart, the Harper multi-purpose nylon convertible hand truck and cart is the perfect personal assistant for all your home, office, and moving needs. Harper trucks are made in the USA. Magna Cart, the original personal folding aluminum hand truck. Compact for easy storage and transportation. Telescoping handle extends up to 39 inches in height. Made of lightweight aluminum and only weighs 7 pounds. Large 15-inch wide base carries up to 150 pounds. Fits easily into any car trunk. Ready to use in seconds. Load it up and carry everything in one trip. Super maneuverable, saves trips back to the car. With the Magna Cart, never carry goods by hand again. Stores easily in airplane overhead compartment. Take it anywhere. Use it at home. Use it at work. Use it away from home. Magna Cart, the world's most popular folding hand truck.